Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. So from any screen, you have phone there and you've got general settings here. If you go to phone, you'll see there's nothing connected at the moment. No phone's connected. Nobody sat in the car here with me with a phone that will connect. So it brings up this menu, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. You'll see there's an arrow at the side. You click on the arrow at the side and then you've got the opportunity, connect phone and media, connect media or delete. We want delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. First of all, we go to settings, we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to telephone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Now that's telling me to search for the device on the mobile. However, if you click Discover other Bluetooth devices, which I found best, Ford Ranger can search for available Bluetooth devices. To pair a Bluetooth device with Ford Ranger in this manner, you will need to make your Bluetooth device discoverable. This is usually done via device's Bluetooth settings. Well, we already know that's on, so I'll just click continue there.
Select one of the devices found by saying.
Now, as you'll see, that's picked up my phone straight away while my phone is still looking for the car. So I need to select Barry's iPhone 13 Pro like so.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
There you go, 965908. So that's fine. So I click pair there and I click yes on the screen. It's connected there. Allow contacts and
please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So it's saying here, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow or don't allow, but you'll see here, automatic contact download, and that's switched on. So allow, finish. It takes a while for your contacts to download, but it is doing that in the background. It will come up. There you go, downloading contacts. It will come up to give me a message that it's done. Contact download complete. So that's how you pair a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Now, if you've got it set up right, it'll play music from Spotify, Amazon Prime, iTunes, even the soundtrack of a YouTube video. So it will play any audio so long as you've got it done right. If you can't play Spotify or whatever, go to your iTunes first, do it in iTunes because it's simpler, and then go back to Spotify and it will play. So what we have to do, we go to your music, the record that's playing here. I'm going to turn it down, but you'll see at the bottom there, hopefully you'll be able to see for the light, it's got Ford Ranger at the bottom. If I click on Ford Ranger there, it gives me a choice of two things that this vehicle is going to play. If the tick's next to iPhone, it will play through the iPhone speakers. The tick's next to Ford Ranger, it's going to play through here. So I'm going to click play, remembering it's turned down here, go over to the system and I want audio. Click on audio. That's on the radio at the moment, so it's not guaranteed to come up, or it's not guaranteed to play through here. I'm going to turn that up. You hear that's just noise through the speakers, it's not on the station. So we go to sources, you go AM, FM, DAB, CD, or Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Click on Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. That's highlighted now. It's showing the record that's playing, the score, Glory. That's on pause, or I can pause it at the moment. So if I turn that up, that's this playing through the system in the car. So that's how you do that. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2018 Ford Ranger Wildtrak from any screen, just on the home screen, which you can always get to by just clicking home there, and it's showing whereabouts we are, what's playing on the radio and so on, and you can also switch your heated seats on from there. But I want navigation, so navigation there. Then nothing really showing. We want destination. Search town, points of interest, address, town or points of interest. So I'm going to put in the postcode, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR 54EA. Search. So that's searched it, High Walton, Preston, PR 54EA. Click start. That's it. You will notice, here we go, if I click the controls there, that speaker comes up there with a line through it. There you go, you can knock it on and off. Now the very best thing I found with the Ford system is the Apple CarPlay. So if you've got your charger lead, there's 2 USB sockets down there, as long as I've got this the right way around. That's in there. We watch out here, connect your phone, and you should be able to see that's come up. Turn that down. It's automatically connected to Apple CarPlay. Now if it doesn't, what you need to do, go to settings, go to general, click on general, you've got CarPlay there, and you can see there that's how many I've got connected. But that's how you do it, and just you'll get a warning on the screen saying that you have to accept that you'll be able to control your phone when the screen is off or when it's closed. Otherwise you won't be able to do anything once your screen's timed out or the phone's shut like that. But this is the very best system, I think, because you don't have to do anything. You don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel at all. There's a voice activation switch here. Now, if I'm driving along and I decide I want to go somewhere, if I click this for 2 seconds, navigate to the Trafford Centre, Manchester.
Getting directions to the Trafford Centre.
You see there goes come up, but you don't have to do anything. If you just leave it, it will automatically go and give you directions. So that's telling me how to get there. So simple. 2 seconds, voice activation. Take me to McDonald's.
One possibility is McDonald's on Fishergate. Want to try that one?
Yes.
Getting directions to McDonald's.
That's it. It really is so simple. To go back to the main screen, all you have to do is click. You see there, that gives you the, if I click on that, that gives you the map and your infotainment screen. Otherwise, that's mirroring my phone. We want to play music. I'll put it on the music there, only so you can see what's happening. But shuffle music.
Here's some music from your Apple Music library.
Turned down at the moment, but if I turn that up, oof, terrible record. If I want to play a specific track, play Glory by The Score.
Now playing Glory by The Score.
So it's that simple to control your music again. You want to send a text. Text Barry.
What do you want to say to Barry?
I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Ford Ranger. It's fantastic.
It says, I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Ford Ranger. It's fantastic. Send it.
Yes.
Done.
Now you'll see there, a text has just come up. It's telling me here on my phone what I've just said, so that's right. But you're driving along, you can't do that, you can't touch the phone. So again, 2 seconds on the voice activation. Read texts.
Barry sent a new message. I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Ford Ranger. It's fantastic. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
So that's how you play text. You can call somebody. Call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
You can see it's dialing me there.
Sorry, I can't take your call at the moment.
You know, it really is so good. All you have to do is press that button for 2 seconds, and you can tell Apple CarPlay what to do. Let's see, you've got, you know, your audio books. Click on audio books. That's got all the stuff I've got loaded. Over to Audible. Again, some more books. You've got Spotify. There you go. Some suggested daily mixes here. Click on there. Oh, it's, as it happens, it's a good daily mix. So as I say, that's Spotify playing through the system. Just everything you've got. You know, your calendar there. I've got no events for today, but you can actually set it. You can set the sat nav. You can see if you're meeting somebody. You can set Apple CarPlay for your phone to tell them where you are, and for their phone to tell you where they are. So you can actually see on the screen as you're getting closer and closer to your destination point how far each other's away. You can set reminders. For instance, I can set a reminder for when I get to work tomorrow to, I don't know, get a car out or put a battery on charge, whatever, to remind me. It's a really good system. Here you go, Amazon Music. Click on there. Don't think of, oh, my soundtrack, click play. That's just the suggested soundtrack, but I can't speak highly enough of the actual system. And just go back to there. If you want to go back to just the Ford Sync system, go back to the screen, click Ford, and there you go. You're back on the Ford system. It's a fantastic system. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.